Shemai! We're going to take a little look at tabs or tablature on the ukulele. Now this is a great way of being able to play individual notes rather than playing chords. Now the tab itself, it's, as you can see, a set of lines and numbers, and they represent our strings and our frets. Now you'll need to look at your ukulele either above it or face on, and then they match the lines on the tabs. Now I'm actually going to turn my ukulele around this way because this is the way you'd be looking at it. So our top line is our top string, A. Our next line down is our next string, E. Then the next line is C, and the bottom line is our G. All right, and the numbers are the frets. So 0 would be no fingers. 1 would be our first fret, 2 would be our second fret, and so on. Right, let's have a little play then. So, looking at this first one, you can see it just says 0, 0, 0, 0, which is going to mean on our A string, A, then the next line down is our E string, then our C, okay, and you can see there's 4, and then our G. Alright, now then, this next tab, I've just put some random notes onto the tab, and I'll show you a bit closer up how we put our fingers down as well. So here we go. The first one, it says our top string, so remember we're looking at it this way, so it'll be that top string, which is our A, and it says 0, 1, 2, 3. 0. Okay, so it's open, 1, 2, 3. Then the next bar says 0, 3, 5, 7. So 0, 3, 5, 7, or alright. Then our next string, it says 0, 2, 4, 0. Okay, open, 2, 4, open. Now that one does actually match our fingers, but remember it's not fingers, it's frets. And then the last one says 5, 4, 2, 0. Okay, so that's just a really simple, quick way of learning how to read tab. Right, all rock stars have got to start somewhere. So these are some really, really easy riffs, and we'll play them using the tab. Okay, so the first one we're going to look at, bit of Smoke on the Water. I'll bring it in a bit closer. A really nice, simple, straightforward one, Apache. I'll bring it in a bit closer. Three Little Birds. I think this was one of the first ones I learnt actually, because we were playing it in school all the time. I'll come in a bit bit closer. Seven Nation Army, a really popular one. So this one we start on the 3rd fret. Okay, I'll come in a bit closer. So 3rd fret. And another classic, Sunshine of Your Life. And this one goes all the way up to 10th fret. So be ready for it. Here we go. I'll come in a bit closer. I hope that has helped. If you can't read tabs straight away, don't worry, practice makes perfect. It will take a little bit of time, but they are a great way of quickly learning a tune or a riff. If you'd like to see more videos like this with tabs, leave a comment below and like the video, and of course, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.